Okay, here we go. To the sky.
I want to reach this level of redneck right here. This person built basically a Trump airplane. I mean, this is like a remote control. I don't know what this is. I am not this level of redneck, but how great would this be to fly over some of these protests? Just buzz the tower. I would have to have it with like the flowing blonde cotton candy hair. Remember that when they had the big, the libs had the big blimp, the little fat Trump, the little fat baby Trump with the deal? Wouldn't it be funny just to fly this right through that? And just watch it. Little super DJT, baby.